Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about rhythm and I'm going to go over the different types of notes in rhythm and I'm going to cover how to count them. So this is going to help us to read music and to get faster at learning songs. So today we're going to talk about three different notes. We're going to have the whole note, this circle up here. We're going to have the half note, which is a circle with a little line here. If you remember from last year, they're called note heads and note stems. So the note head is a circle and then the note stem is a stick. And then we're going to talk about quarter notes, and the quarter notes have a solid note head and a note stem as well. So the relationship here, you can kind of see the whole note is on top because the whole note takes the longest amount of time, and a whole note is made up of two half notes. These combined together equal a whole note, and four quarter notes is the same amount of time as a whole note. So you can kind of see how they're divided up here. So here is the quarter note. Quarter note is equal to the beat. So whenever we count rhythms, we're always going to tap our foot. Tap, 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 and stop. So we're going to tap our foot as we count. Each of these quarter notes is equal to one beat. So every time you tap your foot, tap, 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 that is a quarter note. Okay. Instead of saying quarter note, we used to say plum. This year we're going to try and say ta. So we would count four quarter notes like this as ta, 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 ta. Each ta is on the beat. So go ahead and either tap your foot or tap your knee and count with me four tas. Ready? 1, 2, ready, say ta, 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 ta. Good. Try not to make these like ta, ta. Try not to make them really short, make them a little bit longer. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, say ta, 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 ta. Okay, so that's called the quarter note. These are called what? Quarter notes. Good. Next up, we have the half note. The half note is just like the quarter note, but it's basically like two quarter notes smashed together. So instead of being only one beat long, it's actually two beats long. They're a lot longer in time. So instead of going ta, ta, we would say ta. The second ah is for the second beat of time. Okay, so it goes ta, ta. Can we count these together, half notes? And again, they are worth two beats. Ready? 1, 2, this is our beat. Go ta, ta. One more time. Ready, go. Ta, ta. Lastly, we have the whole note. So we have the quarter note. Quarter note is one of four. We have the half note, one of two. And then we have the whole note. This takes up the whole group of four beats. So this is four beats long. It goes ta. Try that. Ready? Here we go. Go ta. So you're counting to four in your head and you're saying ta, ah to four beats. Okay? Make sure you're tapping your foot or tapping your knee as you count these. So let's try this one more time. 1, 2, this is our beat. Go ta. And that's the whole note. So we have the quarter notes. Each one is worth a beat. Half notes, each one is worth two beats. And the whole note, each one is worth four beats long. So here are some examples of rhythms where we have half notes, quarter notes, and whole notes. So let's go ahead and see if we can do this together. Okay, is everybody ready? We're going to count this rhythm together. We have two quarter notes, a half note, and then four quarter notes. Let's just do the top line, and I wrote the counts underneath them, okay? So again, quarter note gets one beat each. These half notes are longer. They're two beats each. Ready? 1, 2, ready, say ta. Ta, 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 ta. And make sure you're tapping your foot or tapping your lap with your hand to keep the beat. Try it again. Here's our beat. 1, 2, this is our beat. Go ta, 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 ta. Cool? Let's try the bottom line. If you notice, we have this symbol here. What was this one again? Good, this is a whole note, so it's worth how many beats? Should be four beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it together. Ready? 1, 2, this is our beat. Go ta, 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 ta. Let's try that bottom line again. Make sure you're tapping your foot or tapping your knee. 1, 2, this is our beat. Go ta, 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 ta. Okay, let's see if we can do the whole page to a nice steady beat. We got quarter notes, half notes, and a whole note here. Everybody ready? 1, 2, ready and go. Ta, 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 ta. Try it one more time. This time, see if you can clap. And on the whole notes, you're going to have to go ta, like that. Everybody ready? Let's clap it. 1, 2, ready and go. Ta, 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 ta. Good job. So if we add pitch to that, we could create a song out of it, and we could play it on the piano or guitar or whatever. Okay? All right, let's keep practicing this, and I'll see you later.